Hello everyone, welcome to Nation Innovation. So we were discussing about 8051 architecture. Today we are going to discuss 8051 pin diagram. I have drawn a rough sketch for understanding. So 8051 is a 40 pin IC. From the notch, we start from 1 to 20 here downwards, then from 21 to 40 upwards in this direction. Now let us see what basically each pin stands for. So pins 1 to 8, they are recognized as port 1, and this is basically pulled up and bidirectional input output port. Pulled up bidirectional input output port, right? Then at pin 9 we have reset. Pin 9 is reset pin. So reset pin is utilized to set the microcontroller 8051 to its primary values where all the microcontroller is functioning or at the beginning of any application. Now this reset pin has to be set elevated, that is a high has to be given for two machine rotations so that it can functional properly. Then from pin number 10 to pin number 17 we have port number 3. And this port also supplies a number of other functions such as timer input output, then interrupts, then senior communication TXD and RXD, and control indicators for outside memory interfacing write and read. Control indicators 16, 17 for external read and write. So 16 is for write and 17 is for read. Then pin 18 and 19, they are for crystal oscillator. Any external crystal oscillator that can be interfaced with it for clock purposes. Then 20th pin is ground and 40th pin is VDD. These are the two supplies. Now pin number 21 to 28. They are recognized as port 2. And other than serving as input output port, senior order address bus indicators are multiplexed with this bidirectional port. That means address pins are also interfaced with it. So A8 to A15, they are multiplexed with port 2 0 to port 27, that is pin number 21 to 28. Then we have pin number 29. Pin number 29 is PSEN active low, which is program store enable from outer program memory, and it is employed to interpret sign from outer program memory. Then we have 30th. Pin number 30th is external access. Or EA input employed to permit or prohibit outer memory interfacing. If there is no outer memory needed, then this pin is set to VDD or SHI. Pin number 30, it is also denoted by ALE, address latch enable or program bar. Then we have pin number 31, which is basically pin number 30 is external access, pin number 31 is address latch enable, and this ALE is brought into play to demultiplex the address data indication of port 0 on outer memory interfacing, and two ALE probes are obtainable for every machine rotation. Then for pin number 32 to 39, we have port 0. Other than serving as input output port, low order data and address bus signals are multiplexed with this port. This port has pins which are bidirectional input output port, and outer pull-up registers are necessary to utilize this port as input output. So this is port 0, and address enabled address is also multiplexed here, AD0 to AD7. So this is complete functionality of all the pins of 8051. Now we will start with assembly language programming.